Welcome back, AutoCAD for Technician students. In LP7 here, we're going to actually make some machine layouts and actually lay out part of our lab in your selected area. So some of you may be in Phillips, at our Phillips campus, some of you may be in our Antigo campus, some of you may be at our Wausau campus. So everybody is going to be submitting different drawings of different areas, but I think this is a good opportunity for you to really show me and everybody else what you can do. So in this learning plan, I pulled up the lab write-up for Learning Plan 7. It says in this lab activity you'll be selecting an area of your lab to design. Select an area: welding, electromechanical, precision measurement, machining, etc. Some of you may not have some of these areas depending on your location. Just select an area, okay, and just measure that area using the tools that you used in LP4. So maybe you'd be using a tape measure, maybe you'd be using a laser distance meter, maybe you'd be using a dial caliper. Okay, just select an area of the building. Okay, so then first part of this drawing is opening AutoCAD and convert your sketch to an AutoCAD drawing. Be sure to include all equipment. So any equipment that is contained in there, you need to measure and convert that to a drawing. Okay, so basically you're drawing a layout of this section of the lab. I'm not asking you to do the entire lab because that would take you a very long time, but just pick a section. Okay, example like welding booths or welders, the welding area, or maybe if you're in Wausau, the electromechanical bench area. Okay, make sure you're using layers, line types, and colors to distinguish between different equipment and facilities. And then you want to name your drawing, save it as a DXF or a DWG, and a DWG, I'm sorry. Okay, part 2. This is going into a higher level of learning here. You're actually going to take what you've drawn and see if you can make something better. Show me how I should be rearranging my lab. Show me how you think, well, this would work better and why. Okay, so you might have some typing in here or some annotation saying this is why we should change this layout this way. Okay, and then part 3 is select another area. So just a different area of the electromechanical lab or precision measurement or some other area, and tell me how we should rearrange that area. Make a more efficient layout. See if there is a more efficient layout. Okay, and again, make sure you include all equipment in your drawing. Dimension your drawing completely. Use layers, line types, and colors excuse me, to distinguish between different equipment. Okay, and now some of you may be confused on where to get started, and the answer to that is start wherever you want to start. Okay, there really is no drawn out way to do this. You need to basically just pick an area and draw the current equipment in it, and then move on and see if you can lay it out better than the way we have it. Propose to me, yeah, we should do this. Okay, so this lab 7, is pretty much wide open to your imagination, and use your imagination to its fullest. Okay, so my expectations are that you're going to be creative and that you're going to come up with something that I didn't think of. Okay, so if you have any questions, just contact your instructor, and as always, happy drawing.